So let us share with you our BPI Securities Research Team's stock picks for 2024 and onwards. So for our first stock pick, our first play in the conglomerate space is Ayala Corporation with a price target of 900 pesos per share. There is an earnings growth potential for the conglomerate given one, the healthy earnings from Ayala Land, which will benefit also from easing policy rates. Two, expanded capacity from ASEN and an increase in demand for renewable energy. And three, positive results and improving results from Ayala Corporation's emerging units. Next, the most impressive one that we have so far on the consumer segment, Jollibee Foods Corporation with a price target of 327 pesos per share. Jollibee continues to see double-digit growth both in its revenue and in its earnings compared to its other peers in the discretionary consumer segment. When you look at Jollibee, we expect steady revenue growth, double-digit or mid-teens between 2024 and 2025, driven by a solid same-store sales growth both for the Philippines and overseas. Aside from that, improving or softening input price together with an increased focus of Jollibee in terms of franchising its stores will lead to a mid-teens EPS growth between 2024 and 2026 annually.